Who's that casting deep?
I've been down the road, feeling so free. Off the life they took out of me, and cares running by and leaving evil gang of doctors and nurses that's out. The morbid criminals trying to make sure. Gave me a set of mind because I was only busy and held me so I declined. Not to getting forth by the knees, and that's what really on good to me. No charge, no conviction, not a criminal, but even superstition. Couldn't let it grow. The Sam sang sober instead, and not even stoned. Prison me for what? Nothing major. A career that could manufacture pills and injections that are sick and blind with nature. For heroes and it's a pure for Psych. Drugs, it's a mind-blowing evil act, but it's shit a flavor. Something I never owned. I am a man that was self-made from home, examined and grown through degrees in a diploma in building art. When design needed aesthetics was the soul to my heart being a pills to subject to.
refuses to quit and push him to the ground. You can push him to the ground. You can strip him of everything he owns. And still he may rise. Because his strength doesn't come from easy days. It doesn't come from easy days.
And that's what really open to me. No charge, no conviction, not a criminal, believing superstition. Couldn't let it grow. Who sang sober instead, and not even stoned in prison. Me for one, nothing major. A cure they could manufacture pills and injections that are sick and flawed with nature. For healers and a pure fake for Psych. Drugs, it's a mind-blowing evil act, boy, this shit a flavor. Something I never owned. I a man that was self-made from home, examining 2 degrees in a diploma in building art. When design needed aesthetics was the soul to my heart, being a Pilston subject to being a delusional liar when what would make a new figure feel. Sitting there just people's money on some outsource. The ICs wait a little longer and they might be deceased. 820 years to wait for release, longer than a life sentence. Hey, your Honor, please corrupt. Ain't that not funny? We'll leave Lincoln digs. Not matter what was being Pillman's in the breeze. Tyke acting and specified every detail like I did not care. Not made, not even a fanatic or criminal to lock up and thrill and seize. The amount of money, please. What I did in this hard rock flower rock street. Out of my mind, son, really well, not on paper. Data partners while the shoot stories made. Motion pictures rolled only cost $5 to make a cup of tea. To hold the pieces, bacon about a 20 on the electric steak. And I don't know when it could be and what been the same. That's what in no black for money D's of I dipple over time and a half. What about the detail when every line the action awaits the cameras when owner would roll off every state of hardest and every actors and musicians on a flight to a miserable scory of nutrition. Betrayal, the sap and twilight of genius. Hard walking all fucking night for free, and that deserves a fine. Being